In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline in Adobe Express if you want to make certain words stand out in your design. Underlining text is a quick and simple formatting option. Adobe Express makes this very easy, and once you know where the control is, you can apply it in just a few seconds. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express. This can be any design where you want to edit text, such as a social media graphic, presentation slide, flyer, or any other layout. Make sure the project is fully loaded so you can access the editing tools without interruption. Next, add the text you want to underline, or select text that's already in your project. If you haven't inserted any text yet, you can create a text box first and type in your content. If the text is already there, simply click on it so Adobe Express knows which text element you want to edit. This is important because the underline option will only affect the text you currently have selected. Once your text is selected, move your attention to the left side panel. This is where Adobe Express displays formatting and editing controls for the item you're working on. In that panel, look for the Underline button. It usually appears as a capital U with a line beneath it, which is a standard symbol for underline in most design and word processing tools. Click the Underline button, and Adobe Express will automatically apply an underline to your selected text. You should see the change immediately on the canvas, which makes it easy to confirm that the formatting has been applied correctly. If you don't notice a change right away, double-check that the correct text box is selected before trying again. That's all there is to it. Underlining text in Adobe Express is a very straightforward way to add emphasis and improve readability, especially for headings, labels, or key phrases you want viewers to notice quickly. As a small tip while working, it's a good idea to preview how the underlined text looks in the context of your full design. Sometimes a subtle formatting change can have a big visual impact, so make sure the underline helps your text stand out without making the layout feel too busy. Now you know how to underline text in Adobe Express quickly and easily.